Good morning. I just wanted to come and share a little update with you guys that I noticed the other day. And it was just that I put these braids in and I started to notice the little short pieces. And I would be, looking at my hair a little weird because I'm like, these short pieces are kind of annoying because it doesn't blend with the longer pieces and it doesn't look as uniform. But then I was like, oh, I wonder how long it's been since I was bald. So I went back and looked at some videos, and it's been 2 years since I was bald in those areas. So I suffer from postpartum shedding. I don't want to get into it, but I was completely bald in my temple area. So it was like this from here to here and about back to here. So it was like a nice little triangle area. And I'm going to post pictures where I was completely bald, like no hair. Same here. I was completely bald. So I was completely bald, and it's been 2 years, and this is the growth that I have. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few pieces. Okay, maybe let's see. I know it's this one. So it's like, if you think about it like that, from bald to 2 years later, it's not that bad. So then I started giving myself a little bit of slack. Okay, and the same thing on this side. I was completely bald. And now that's about 2 years worth of growth. Right? Okay. So what I did, I made videos about the oils that I had used to get it starting to grow back, and then it was basically a mix of Ayurvedic oils. And then once it got long enough for me to put Shea Butter on it, I would put Shea Butter on it. I don't think that Shea Butter helped grow my hair. I think the Ayurvedic oils did kind of stimulate some growth, but I don't think that the Shea Butter really grew my hair. I think it just helped me retain moisture. So just because it doesn't go on the scalp, so it just basically helps me keep the hair that I do grow. So I'll link the videos where I made the oils and where I applied them and show you how I use them in the description box. And I just wanted to give you guys a good update, and I will see you guys soon.